Hey everyone, so this is a product that I received from our personal review. It's a hair curler, and on the packaging it says perfect curl. That's what the packaging looks like. This is what the product looks like right here. This is the front and this is the back. As you can see, this is the curling iron down in there. I'm gonna go ahead and push this button to turn it on. Okay, so once it turns on, it starts flashing. It's in Celsius. I'm gonna hit this button again to hit it again to go over to Fahrenheit. You can keep hitting this to go through the different modes. So it goes up to, let's see, it goes up to 390 and it goes down to 300. Okay, so for the time right here, the minimum is 8 seconds. And the maximum is 18 seconds. I think I had mine set on 10. This little button right here, once it stops flashing, that means that the product is ready to be used. This is the left curl button. This is the right curl button. Basically lets you know which way your curl is gonna go. So when I press the left one, I'm gonna show you what it does in here. I'm gonna press the right button. It's basically showing you which way your hair is gonna get wrapped around in there. Left or right. So now I'm going to show you guys how this works. This will be a first impression, so this is my first time using it, and let's get started.